Media literacy is the ability to purposefully consume content along with create content. Let's start off with the first part, purposely consume. This is way different than someone who's just wasting time on the computer and they're just web surfing. Not that web surfing in itself is bad, but if you're just going from tab to tab to tab and the algorithm is telling you what to consume, then this is not purposeful. This is mindless. But let's say on the other hand, you have an intention. You want to either learn or you're entering saying, I want to be entertained. Now you can consume content with a purpose. Not only that, when you're consuming a content piece, are you capable of telling the intent behind the piece? Is this piece really just masquerading as education? Or are they trying to influence you in some way? This is a question we'll be answering later on in this class. But just think about it for right now as purposefully consuming content. Another part that many people forget about is purposefully creating content. This does not mean that you go on Facebook and begin whining about your day. This is something that is known as venting. But instead, let's say you go on Facebook and for a living you deal with sewage systems and you write a very thoughtful Facebook status detailing the state of the sewage systems in your city. This is purposeful. So the bottom line is that with media literacy, we're not going for purposeless and having algorithms dictate our moods for us. Instead, we are trying to dictate our own moods that will eventually influence our behaviors.